If you are looking for how to get the code to claim your CEX airdrop, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step process on how to get the code and claim your CEX airdrop to your wallet. So without further ado, let's dive into the process. So this is my Telegram, and I'm going to click on this power tab. So I'll wait for it to load. It's here. Then visit BCEXY portal. I'll click on it. Okay, we're here. I'll click on get started. Yes, this is where we are now. My stats. So you click on this airdrop, my airdrop section. You click here. You click here. Here. So I'll click on it. So you can see my application status qualified. But before you get to this place, you need to impute 5-digit codes. And the question is now, how can you get this code? How can you get this code? I was able to get mine through their YouTube channel. You need to visit their YouTube channel. You can actually visit it from here, but because I've done mine, the button for subscription, to click on subscription that will take you to their YouTube channel, is not here because I've completed mine. So I will need to minimize now and go to their YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel. We'll go to YouTube and search BCEX. I've already searched for it, so I'll just click on it. Now here is their own channel, BCEXY. So you click on their channel, then you click on this video here. You click here. Now you will now look for their latest video. This one was posted 1 hour ago. This particular one, this is their latest video. This is their latest video. So you can see, you have to be fast and check regularly for you to be able to get it. I got mine from the other video. Not this one. From this particular one, this hold versus day trade. I got mine from this particular video. All right. I got it from here. You can see all sorts of comments on this channel. People are frustrated. People are frustrated, seriously. So, but you just have to be patient. We've been working on this for months, or some up to a year. So we have to see it to the end. Now I will go back and show you the wallets. Now the wallet that will be needed. You need either Phantom wallet or Wigwam wallet. Let me show you the Wigwam wallet. Let's go to Play Store. Here's Play Store. You search Wigwam wallet. Here's the wallet. Well, because I've already installed it, I'll just go ahead and open it. This is actually the wallet that the BCX team recommended, but you can go ahead and use Solana as well. Now, this is my wallet. You can see I created this one newly. I don't have any asset in this wallet. I don't have any asset in this wallet. So once the team have been able to decide on the date we can claim, my CEX will appear in this wallet. So if you're watching this video for the first time, do well to subscribe, because I will be sharing other interesting videos about how to protect your assets, how to invest wisely and avoid scam. Make sure you subscribe and watch out for my next video.